All right, so I went on Tickety Tockety and I found this, and supposedly you don't need to wire it, it's wireless. So this is one of those dashboard cameras. So if you get in a wreck, like my sister did, you can videotape it happening. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's got a message here. You guys can read it. And the appliance is only to be used with a power supply unit provided. All right, so there's a power supply unit. Apparently, I was misinformed. All right, so let's go ahead and pop it out and look. This is, I think, the main unit itself. Oh, it looks pretty nice. So it does have the camera on the front, and it has, this little thing you got to take off. It's got two cameras on the side, and it has controls on the top. So you do have a USB-C port. This is the connecting port, and this is the SD card port. All right, so it says 1080p. So this would be facing out. So let's go ahead and we'll just put that down for now. Let's see what else is in here. All right, oh yeah. So you got a bunch of cords. All right. And of course they're in plastic. Pop them out. All right. So it does come with these, well, it looks like screws and a tape thing. That is not encouraging. And then it has some, oh, this is I think this might be the camera that goes in the back, because and then it connects to this here like that somehow. And this, oh, this looks complicated. Look, we've already got a situation here. Look, where's that supposed to go? I don't know. And then this plugs in like a microphone plug. That's weird. All right, then you've got, this is your power cable, okay? So let's take a look at it. This you plug into your you plug this into your lighter thing on your car. And then this, I do believe, goes in the camera, all right? And then last but not least is this connector thing. I'm sure there's an app for it for your phone too that you have to download. So let's get this out. So anyway, this is a suction deal. It's got like a little doohickey here that creates tighter suction with it. Then you got to pull this off when you put it on the window. So okay, so we've got that. Here's your user manual. It's got a QR code, and it's got it in like a million different languages. All right, so you get your connector that would hook onto, I do believe, this is going to slide right on here. You see that? So this would slide on there like that. You got to push it. Oh, it only goes one way. All right, so this is the front forward area. So then this would go like this. Well, it's supposed to go on there like that. Wow, it's hard to get on. All right, so it's on now. And then this turns, and you can stick it on your window. But this here, oh yeah, okay, there we go. So now we got it set up. All right, so this would go on the window, and you've got these cameras here, which I think that you can just turn them, and so you can see the sides or behind you. You know what I mean? So you got like 3 cameras on this. These 2 here, and this one here, and then you got the back camera, which is here, right? So you got a bunch of cameras. And then you would just plug this in on the bottom here. Oh, on the top. Oh, that's weird. So like this is where you plug it in, right? And so then this has to go around down to the bottom. And then, what's cool about it is, let's pull that off for a second, is that you can just remove it, right? And take it inside and grab the thing. But once you put this on, man, it's on there tight. So anyway, that's that system there. You can lock it down and then just put it right on your car and try it out and see what you guys think. Now you do have to remove this. It's got a so ridiculous. To get this stuff off, you got to get that off of there. But I didn't get it all off because there's a little red piece still on there. Almost got it. That was stuck in the lens. So anyway, so far so good. Now, I don't see I'm looking to see if there was like this thing here. What are we screwing into? I don't know. And this is kind of disheartening because it looks like this was in here, but it got yanked out. You know what I mean? So, oh, wait a minute, there's another one over here. So maybe this hooks into something. I don't know. I don't know. This is self-explanatory. We got that. And then this, of course, is, self-explanatory too. It's a back camera, which I could put this on my car in the back. All right, let's set that in there. But yeah, that's it. All right, now we just got to figure out how to put it in the car. All right, so that's your TikTok super cheap camera for your car or your dashboard camera. Check it out. You get them on TikTok, really cheap. I forget how much I paid for this, but I had to check it out because it was just ridiculously cheap. All right, peace out.